This is a simple program for addition of two numbers. The first statement here is comment. This double slash denotes single line comment. Write a Java program for addition of two numbers. Next is you need to define a class. Syntax for class definition is class keyword followed with a class name. This class name can be any logical name you wish to write. Our class name is addNum. Open the curly brace, close the curly brace, and you need to write the code inside these braces. Then you need to define the main method. Main method is the entry point for core Java program execution. Signature of main method is public static void main, and it takes string array as a parameter. Open the curly brace, close the curly brace, and write the code. Execution starts from here. We have declared three variables, variable a, b, and result of type double. So as soon as this statement is executed, memory will be allocated for the variables. We have assigned value 37.9 to variable a. So memory will be reserved for variable a inside the stack memory area, and value 37.9 will be stored in this space. Then memory will be reserved for variable b, and value 88.44 will be assigned to it. So 88.44 will be stored in the memory space reserved for variable b. Next is memory will be reserved for variable result. We have yet not assigned any value to variable result. Next statement is the formula for addition, result equal to a plus b. So whatever values will be adding a plus b, the added value will be stored inside variable result. So value of variable a will be retrieved, that is 37.9, plus value of variable b will be retrieved, that is 88.44, which is equal to 126.34. So this added result of a plus b will be stored inside variable result because we are writing result equal to a plus b. Now the value 126.34 will be stored in the memory space reserved for variable result. Next is we are displaying the output to the console. System.out.println. Println is the method that displays output to the console. So inside the parenthesis, write the text you want to print to the console inside the double quotation marks. So addition of and space. This text is printed to the console as it is. Addition of space. Variable a will retrieve its value, that is 37.9, and this value will be printed to the console, plus this text space and space. This will be printed as it is to the console. Variable b will retrieve its value, that is 88.44 will be printed to the console. Then this text space is space. This will be printed as it is to the console, and variable result will retrieve its value, that is 126.34 will be printed to the console, and you get this output. So let us type this program in Eclipse and check the output.